Stop by and take a look at the 2017 RAV4. The RAV4 is one of the most fuel-efficient SUVs in its class. Versatile and efficient, RAV4 mixes the comfort and drivability of a sedan with the benefits of an SUV. This highly evolved, well-packaged crossover SUV lets you have it all. This vehicle has less than 115,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, all-wheel drive, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, steel wheels, tires front all season, tires rear all season, wheel covers, privacy glass. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.